Are you one of those people who want to start meditating to get all those great benefits you've been hearing about, but you feel like it's impossible? Or do you know you want to start a meditation practice, but you just don't know where to begin? Well, good news. After you hear the 10 tips that I'm going to share with you in this video, you will know exactly what to do. I'm Shirley Archer, a best-selling author I'm an award-winning trainer, a meditation and yoga instructor, and a mindful health educator. So, how do you start meditating? Here are 10 tips that will get you going without any doubt. You will have a successful practice. The first and most important rule is that you need to be comfortable. So choose a safe and comfortable place. If it's a private room or an office space where you can close the door and be undisturbed, but you need to feel safe and free from interruptions. Number 2, you need to be comfortable. So you can either sit or lie. I recommend, if you're new to meditation, that you begin seated, because lying down, it's all too easy to fall asleep. Number 3, when you sit or lie, make sure your spine is lengthened, that you have a very good posture. This will allow you to breathe deeply and fully, and it places the least amount of stress on your body. So sit tall and comfortably. You want to put your hands on your thighs, and you can have your palms up or your palms down, right at the place where the hips meet the thigh. Alternatively, you can place one hand on top of the other and rest them gently in your lap. Tip number 5. You want to release tension from your body. So I recommend you tighten all the muscles, tight, and then exhale, release all the tension, and do that twice. Tight, and exhale, release all the tension. Number 6, set a timer for either 3, 5, or 10 minutes so that you contain the meditation and you know that you'll know when it comes to an end. But make sure it has a gentle alarm, because once you get into a deeper state of calm, you don't want to be rudely interrupted. So set your timer, and then you're going to either close your eyes or you're going to gaze downward. There are different practices, and I have other videos to go more deeply into the different techniques, but either way is okay. Sometimes when you're first getting started, if you close your eyes or if you're exceptionally sleepy, you may fall asleep. So that's where a downward and unfocused gaze. You're not looking at anything in particular, but you're just looking gently down. Number 8, bring your attention to your breath. Make no effort to control your breath. Just simply observe. Am I inhaling? Am I exhaling? Try not to control the breath and just watch inhaling. And you can even repeat to yourself if you find your mind wandering, inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. Tip number 9, when the timer goes off, allow yourself to gently reintegrate into the room. You don't want to leap up out of your chair or off your cushion or bench. Just gently do a few stretches, consciously breathe deeply. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Look around the room. Bring yourself back to the room gently. And then number 10, choose a consistent time and place to do this. Ideally, if you can do it every day, 5 days a week, that's great. And at the same time, because this starts to create a habit of mind, and you're preparing yourself for a period of concentrated calm. You are actually going to become better at it, and you will go into a deeper state more easily. Meditation is actually an altered state of awareness, and your ability to access that altered state where the brain waves are moving more slowly is a function of practice. And some people are naturally more able to do it than others. So give yourself a chance and practice regularly. And even as simple as 3 minutes, if you have no time, is good enough to start the habit. And as you get comfortable with that, you can gradually increase the time. And with these tips, I guarantee you will be able to start a meditation practice. Please share in the comments below what your biggest question or concern is about starting a meditation practice. I will be more than happy to answer your questions and offer my support in any way that I can, because this is a tremendous gift that you're going to give yourself. I share health and happiness tips each week with a new video on Thursday. So please click below to subscribe. Thank you so much. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.